Whether you're commuting, traveling, or kicking around town, keep your suede and canvas shoes dry with Revivex Suede and Fabric Water Repellent. This PFAS-free spray-on treatment adds water resistance to suede, canvas, and other mixed material shoes without affecting texture or breathability. Start with clean, dry shoes. Brush away dirt and prep the surface so the treatment sticks. Spray in even strokes from about 6 inches away. Make sure all surfaces are coated, but don't fully soak the material. Dab away any buildup with a paper towel and let your shoes dry completely before wearing. After treatment, water beads up and rolls off, helping your footwear stay dry, clean, and looking fresh. Revivex Suede and Fabric Water Repellent. Everyday protection for your everyday shoes. Discover the full Revivex lineup online or at an outdoor retailer near you.